Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Brian and today we're diving into the ultimate relaxation experience, Koh Tao's incredible hotel pools. This island isn't just a diver's paradise, it's a pool lover's dream. Lounging by the pool here isn't just a luxury, it's a must do. After a day of exploring the underwater beauty or hiking the hills, nothing beats chilling poolside. These pools aren't just for swimming, they're designed for ultimate relaxation with infinity edges, swim up bars, and comfy loungers. Let's explore some of the best. First up, Koppee in Chalok. Tucked away in a quiet area, Koppee offers a peaceful pool experience with stunning bay views. It's a tranquil haven surrounded by lush greenery. The pool area is set up for relaxation with cosy sun loungers and shaded areas. And here's a tip, the pool is open to non guests, as long as you order something from their menu. Next, Tanote Villa Hill. This place is famous for its breathtaking pool views and peaceful surroundings. The pool seems to merge with the sea, creating a stunning visual effect. It's perfect for couples or solo travellers seeking a quiet getaway. Again, this pool is open to non guests who purchase food or drink. Ban's Resort offers a comprehensive island experience with multiple pools, beachfront access, and a lively atmosphere. It caters to diverse travellers. You'll find 4 different swimming pools here. No matter where you stay in the resort, a pool is always a short walk away. Sairee Cottage Pool Bar provides a delightful blend of relaxation and social atmosphere. Nestled beside their inviting pool, the bar offers picturesque views of lush tropical gardens. Guests can enjoy refreshing cocktails and snacks while lounging poolside. Note that the pool is only open to hotel guests and divers. Finally, Savage Hostel. This hostel offers a vibrant and social atmosphere with its stunning rooftop pool and bar. The 14-metre pool provides panoramic views of the island and ocean. The bar hosts pool parties with DJs and the pool is open to non-guests after 5 p.m. Koh Tao offers a range of pool experiences from luxury at upscale hotels with infinity pools and private cabanas to budget-friendly options with lively atmospheres. Savage Hostel is a prime example of affordability combined with a fun poolside scene. Guest reviews highlight Tanote Villa Hill and Savage Hostel as favourites, with travellers praising the amazing views and great service. Koppee in Chalok also receives compliments for its peaceful surroundings. To prepare for your Koh Tao trip, visit during the dry season, March to September. Ferries are the main way to get here, and once on the island, you can rent motorbikes or use taxis. Beyond pools, Koh Tao offers diving, snorkeling, rock climbing, hiking, and delicious local cuisine. Now, for some common questions, which pools are most loved? Tanote Villa Hill, Savage Hostel, and Koppee. Do hotels have pool bars? Yes, like Sairee Cottage Pool Bar. When to visit? March to September. Are poolside amenities available? Absolutely, from loungers to bars. How to book? Use hotel websites or travel platforms. Koh Tao's hotel pools offer the perfect mix of relaxation and adventure. Start planning your trip now and experience these tropical havens for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time.